can't film a lot because they are strict. Anyways, let's get started with the unboxing. So here's the receipt. Here's the beautiful box. The booklet. And here's the dust bag. It has a drawstring. Okay, and to reveal, this is my new Chanel Mini O case in a caviar leather with light gold hardware. And the color is light blue. This is from 2020 Cruise Collection. It has a zipper closure with a leather pull tab. And it has this CC logo here in the end of the zipper. This is how it looks like in front, side, back, and the bottom. Okay, so let's open it. The zipper is really smooth. It's so easy to open and close. So inside, it is textile lining interior. There, and it's from the 29 series. And here it says Chanel made in Spain. This pouch is very versatile. You can use it as a wallet, makeup pouch, as a catch-all. The possibility is endless. I will use this as a wallet or as a makeup pouch because of the size. I like that it doesn't have a chain because it will not scratch my bags that has leather interior or getting any indentation. I love that this is very compact and slender. It's not bulky. It can fit perfectly inside my mini bags. Let me just show how it will fit inside my mini rectangular. Okay. Just put this on the side. So here's my mini rectangular. And this is how it will look inside. I can still put a little more here, like powder or my key holder. This pouch is very flexible. It can stretch and can fit a lot inside. So for the dimensions, length is 6 inches, height is 3.5 inches, and the width is 0.5 inches. As I mentioned earlier that I will use it as a wallet, so let's see what we can fit inside. I have here some cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards. Just put it there. And then cash. And Japanese yen. There, and I can also fit my key fob. There you go. Still looks good. And now let's try it as a makeup pouch. So my blotting paper, mints, perfume, and my lipstick. There. So it can stretch. I really love this light blue color, and we all know that this color combination is so popular. It will sell out really fast. I'm so lucky and happy to add this in my collection. I also bought the matching bag. Here. So pretty. I really love the color. There. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!